Hello. Hello students, Jai Hind, very good morning, welcome back. As you all know, in our last lecture number 11, dear student, when you receive lecture, by chance if I have written in two lectures on board, lecture number 10, but you have to think that way. One is lecture number 10 and next is lecture number 11. Means the examples related to how to prepare frequency distribution from less than type of cumulative frequency distribution. Those examples are in lecture number 11. Please note it down. Understood? So even on board it is written lecture 10 that you will attend online as lecture number 11. Please mind this. Okay? Now what we are doing in today's lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to target examples where you are given more than type cumulative frequency distribution will be given to you. How to convert that more than type cumulative frequency distribution into regular frequency distribution and how to find median, that we are going to understand. In today's lecture, my target is this only. We will convert less than type CF distribution into regular frequency distribution and then we will find median. Okay, so dear student, in today's lecture number 12, we are going to target those type of examples. Okay, lecture number 12. Chapter 14, Statistics. Okay, and in today's lecture, the topic which I am targeting today is this: prepare. This is the title of the topic, prepare frequency distribution. Prepare frequency distribution from given. You have to prepare frequency distribution from given more than type, from given more than type, please concentrate, more than type CF distribution. You will be given more than type CF distribution and you have to prepare from that regular frequency distribution. After preparing regular frequency distribution, then you have to find median of the data. That is our target in today's lecture. Please mind this word, prepare frequency distribution from given more than type CF distribution. You will be given more than type CF distribution, and from that we will find a regular frequency distribution, and then we will find median from that. In last lecture we could take only one example of this type, but in today's lecture we will solve two examples of similar type. That is what we are going to target. Okay, dear students, suppose example number 1 we are solving. Okay. What is the instruction given to you? Find the median. You will never be given instruction like prepare frequency distribution and find median. No, you will be given a simple instruction of this type only. Find median only. This will be the instruction for you. Okay. Now, dear student, we are looking for finding median. Okay. How to perform this type of example? Please try to understand this. First, I am writing the CF distribution which is given to you more than, and cumulative frequencies. This is data given to you. You just first note down the data. In more than you are given 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. You can verify. In cumulative frequency you are already given 50, then you are given 42, and you are given next cumulative frequency 27, then you are given 9 and 3. Okay. Now, dear student, first you need to understand, whenever you are given CF distribution of more than type, you see, I have seen student maximum remain confused, understand how to prepare frequency distribution from less than type and how to prepare frequency distribution from more than type. Try to understand, dear student, whenever you are given cumulative frequency distribution of more than type, whenever given to you, your first target will remain this only. You have to identify the difference like we were doing in previous lecture. You just identify the regular difference between this. They are actually, I have already explained you how to prepare cumulative frequency distribution of more than type in our previous lectures. You must remember, when you are preparing CF distribution of more than type, here what we have taken, lower boundaries, if you can remember. In less than type, we are taking all upper boundaries, here all lower boundaries. So if you can remember, in my previous lecture I explained from less than type, because less than type are all upper boundaries. So if you can imagine, we have to add one lower boundary there. So what you have to do here, you have to add last upper boundary here by seeing the difference of the class. Okay. So first, dear student, as you all know, let us prepare the class. Let us prepare the frequency, then you will go for cumulative frequency, and then you will find median. Okay. So class, how will you prepare from here? You know very well, dear student. You have to start from the first lower boundary, 0 to 10. Then you continue 10 to 20. Then you continue 20 to 30. Be conscious here. 30 to 40. And dear student, as I told you, seeing the difference of 10, if you add 10 here, the last upper boundary will be 50. Try to understand. There in less than we subtracted. Okay. So this will be another class, 40 to 50. Is it? First, it has to be very clear in your mind. When preparing frequency distribution from more than type, how to prepare the class, you have to parallel study both. In less than type, if you can remember, that's why I am taking the same example as a standard example to make the basics very clear in your mind. There if you can remember, understand, we have subtracted 10 and we got first lower boundary of the first class. Here you have to add 10 to get last upper boundary. This is clear in your mind. After taking this, dear student, how to prepare frequency. If you can remember, in less than, we have taken first CF as it is, and then we were going on subtracting the two subsequent cumulative frequency. Here you will do a reverse process. Directly you go on subtracting them. 50 minus 42, I have to write 8. I have subtracted this two, dear student. Then 42 minus 27, 12 minus 7, 5. So this will be 15. Try to understand this. 27 minus 9, that is 18. 9 minus 3, that is 6. What about the last frequency? So whatever written CF here will become your frequency of last class. Please try to understand this. This is very important for you to understand how to prepare. First, this has to be, dear student, extremely clear in your mind. You are given more than type CF distribution. How will you prepare regular frequency distribution from that? So your first target remains this, that you will directly make classes from here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, because difference is 10, add 10, last boundary you got. This way the classes. Just go on subtracting 50 minus 42 8, 42 minus 27 15, 27 minus 9 18, 9 minus 3 6, and last CF will become your frequency. Now simple process of finding CF: 8, 8 plus 15 23, 23 plus 18 41, 41 plus 6 47, and 50. Last CF is always the total of the frequency, as you all know. Now the formula: n by tooth observation, n by 2 when you do it is 50th observation, as you know. Now when you got, it is 25th observation. Now when you get 25th observation, you know, dear student, you have to underline this. This will become your F. This will become your CF. You know the marking very well. This will be your median class. This becomes lower boundary of your median class. You know it very well. And now just a simple substitution in formula: m equal to L plus n upon 2. Just go on writing with me: minus CF upon F multiplied by class height, that is H. Okay, and let us substitute the value. L you all know 20, n upon 2 I can directly substitute 50 minus 2, 50 upon 2 25, minus CF you know 23, F you know 18, and class height you know of 10. Just calculate 20 plus 2 upon 18 into 10, okay, 2 9 ja, 20 plus 10 upon 9, 20 plus 1.11 it will come. So you can write even 1.11, that is sufficient, okay. So this will be 21.11. Just try to understand this example. We still want to try one more example for you, but dear student, first you verify this example properly. Try to be watchful here. You are given more than type, CF distribution, how to convert more than type CF distribution into regular frequency distribution, and then how to find median. Dear student, you should remember at least one example you should keep in your mind as one standard example. How to prepare the class directly starting from the more than column, and a last upper boundary you have to add, subtracting the values as usual. Last CF will become your F, like in less than, first CF becomes your F, and then you are subtracting. Here just go on subtracting, last CF will become your frequency. It has to be very, very clear in your mind. Okay, let us solve another example where you will be given more than type CF distribution. Okay, and from that more than type CF distribution we will find median. Okay, let us do that example. I just have to first verify. Okay, let us continue. Okay, more than type CF distribution. I think, dear student, this is sufficient for you, or let us solve one more example of more than type when given to you. Let us continue. This example you must have watched properly. Okay. Actually, very less examples are given. Understand? So what I have to do, I will generate one example for you so that we can practice it out. Okay. More than type cumulative frequency distribution is given, and we will look for median. Okay, let me, dear student, prepare one for you, and then we will solve. Okay, just a minute. Just looking at 49. Okay, student. Let us write one more example. Understand for practice. Just note down example number 2. I am writing the column more than, and you are given cumulative frequency distribution. Just write column of more than 5, note down 10, 15, 20, 25, just note down 30, 35 and 40. Is it clear in your mind? Note down column of CF. It is given 49, then given 44, then given 38, then given 20, then 10 is given, then 10 is given, then 5. Okay, just go on noting down it. Sorry, CF 23. After 23 it is given 13. Sorry, dear student. 13 is given, then 8, then 4 and 2. This is given frequency distribution to you. First you just note down. You are given more than type CF distribution. You please note down this first. This more than type CF distribution is given to you, and we are looking for finding median of the data. You first, before we start this particular example, First to take a revival of that previous example we have done, where more than type column and CF is given. How to convert that more than type CF distribution into frequency distribution? What you first have to see, dear student, you have to see this regular difference. You can verify regular difference between, these are all lower boundaries, you all know. A regular difference between all boundaries is 5. You can verify. So as we have done in last example, here 5 is the difference, so add 5. So you can get this way upper boundary of last class that we got 45. Okay, dear student. Now, after you got this, let us continue to prepare frequency distribution, where we will write class as well. We will write F and we write CF. Okay. First, just go on making class 5 to 10. You know very well now. 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and last class which we have to add 40 to 45. Then how to make the column of frequency, dear? So first to be watchful, I will give you time to write the example. Okay, first you be watchful in the process involved here. Just subtract 49 minus 44, 5. Then you subtract 44 minus 38, that is 6. 38 minus 23, that is 15. 23 minus 13, that is 10. 13 minus 8, that is 5. 8 minus 4, that is 4. 4 minus 2, that is 2. And last cumulative frequency will become your CF. Now you know how to find CF. 5 plus 6, that is 11. 11 plus 15, that is 26. 20 plus 6 plus 10, that is 36 plus 10, 41. 41 plus 4, 45 plus 2, 47 plus 2, 49. Last CF. Always represent total of observation, which are 49. Now you all know, dear student, which formula to apply. Even you get odd number of observation or even number of observation, formula is going to remain the common. As I explain you when I have taught you the examples of finding median, you do not have to worry about either number of observations as far as this classified data is concerned. If number of observation are odd or even, formula remains the same. 49 upon 2, that means 24.5th observation. Now the process of marking, dear student, 24.5th observation means it lies here. Underline 26. Value against that will become frequency of median class. As you know, against this become median class, and this become lower boundary of median class. And as you know, you will target, first you see and then you write, dear student. First try to understand, markings are done for L, F and CF already. First you just watch this example. Okay, now the application of formula. M equal to, as you know, L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. L you already have 15. Here 49 upon 2, directly you can write 24.5. CF is already given 11. F is already given 15. Class height you already know, that's of 5. This is 15 plus, just subtract 24.5 minus 11, it is going to be 13.5 upon 15 multiplied by 5. Cancel 5 3 ja. You got 15 plus 13.5 upon 3. 15 as it is. Just convert into decimal by division. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 5 ja 4.5. This is 19.5. First you, dear student, verify the example and now you just continue writing. Okay? આપો ને આમાંથી આપો ને એ તો છોકરાઓ સમજોવે ને. ચાલે છે 2 મિનિટ. So dear student, first you need to verify this properly. Okay? We have, see, just try to understand what we have done in today's lecture. Actually what I am planning every time in lecture, that we are taking one type of examples. Understand? And one type of examples which we are taking, I am making you try to understand, because we are not in live interaction like rest of the student who are attending here. What happens, the difference of a little bit in process, that they are, because the student are in front of us, so we are able to discuss with them. At the same time, they are able to interact with us. they are able to interact with us in the classroom. Okay, so sometime it happens, dear student, that if one type of example is explained to them, and if they have any doubt, they can directly in classroom discuss with the faculties. Immediately this process happens. But because you people are attending lecture at home, so it as a part of teaching, what I am trying to do, that in lecture I am targeting only one type of examples and trying to interact with you as maximum as possible, so that you can understand how to solve such type of example. If you have observed in last 3 lectures, lecture number 10, 11 and 12, you can understand, dear student, in last 3 lectures we have targeted maximum the topic of, in lecture number 10, then in lecture number 11 and lecture number 12, we have given maximum explanation to examples concerning what? Example concerning, in lecture number 10, if you can remember, we have taken example where you are given frequency distribution, and that frequency distribution to be converted in less than type and more than type, then drawing ogive curve of less than type and more than type on the same graph paper, and then finding median of the data. At that time also I explained you that your 2 graphs you draw, the intersection point you have to read x coordinate and y coordinate. Value of x coordinate will become your median. That topic we have taken in lecture number 10. Then in lecture number 11, I have precisely planned that lecture only to explain you one type of example, and that is to convert less than type CF distribution into regular frequency distribution. And not only that, after doing that, how to find median of the data. In today's lecture I have just taken 2 examples where we have converted more than type CF distribution into frequency distribution and then finding median of the data. Is it clear in your mind? So dear student, what will be homework for today's lecture? Remember one thing, the homework for today's lecture will be for you. In homework, what you are going to do, first try to understand the homework pattern today. 2 examples which we have solved here. Both this example you will do once in homework, that is your first homework, and second homework, dear student, I am just writing it a smaller one only, second homework from our SLP 5, that is prepare finding median from less than type and more than type. You will solve example number 3 in homework. So actually in today's homework there are 3 examples, 2 examples which we have done here, that you will perform once again and make sure the data given and ensure that you understood the method, and one more from SLP 5, example number 3 you will solve. Now dear student, we are planning in next 2 lectures to complete this chapter, how that we will discuss during the lecture. Okay? Thank you very much.
अभी